Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change the profile picture in YouTube Kit using your Windows computer. If you want to update your Kit icon to something more fun or recognizable, here's how to do it. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to www.youtubekit.com. Once you are there, sign in using your Google account linked to YouTube Kit. Now, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, complete the parent verification by solving the math puzzle or entering your parental passcode. Once you're inside the settings area, select the child's profile you want to update. Now, click on Edit next to their name. You'll see a set of fun profile icons displayed at the bottom. Just click on the one that you want to use as a new profile picture. Once selected, the new picture will be applied automatically. Remember, if you don't see many options, try refreshing the page or editing from your mobile app or phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.